typically how your Windows 10 screen will look, or even Windows 8. Windows has a way for you to check your computer specs and to see if your computer meets the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11. So you click on the Windows icon that's to the bottom left of your screen, and that's depending on where your taskbar is positioned. If it's to the left of your screen, that's where you'll find the taskbar. If it's to the right of your screen, it's going to be to the bottom right of your screen, and if your taskbar is at the top of your screen, then it will be at the top left or right of your screen. Now after you get to the Windows button, you want to click on it, and you click on the settings button here, which should take you to this nice looking window here, and you can come here, update and security, my system usually loads a bit faster, but this is the first time I'm opening the Windows Updates application from morning, so it's going to take a little while to load. When it's doing this, it's connected to an internet connection and it's checking the database to see if there are any updates. Right, so from the graph you will see that it says my PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11, and from here you can click here to see what you need to get that done. Now from the get-go, I'm going to say that you're going to need at least 11 gigs or more of RAM. You have to have a certain graphics processor. You also have to have a certain type of PC. I recommend Intel i5 and up. If you have an AMD, tread very carefully. You'll also have to make sure that you have this feature enabled on your computer, that's the TPC Trust Platform. Make sure you have that enabled in your system settings, and if you're not sure how to get that done, check the manual for further instructions. This may vary from computer to computer. You have to check to make sure that you have enough hard drive space, because Windows 11 is going to take up a considerable amount of storage. So make sure you have at least 500 gigs, the minimum 200 gigs, because the system is going to require a lot of storage. Bear in mind that it also comes with a lot of extra security, which you may find very annoying. But if you want to get your old PC up and running, these are some of the things you have to bear in mind as you take steps to the upgrade. Please remember that anything that has an AI component in it is going to require extra resources to run them, so bear this in mind as you take steps to upgrade your PC to the latest version, or even phone or tablet for that matter.